Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze. I'm all about teaching you how to make money online. Okay, so if this is your first time of getting to this channel, like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot topics on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. So today we're going to talk about how you can actually make money online just receiving text messages or what you know as SMSs on your phone. Very simple. Just download the app, automate it, and that's why you don't have to do anything. Okay, so but why would you be paid just to receive SMSs? All right, I'm going to give you brief reason why that opportunity is out there right now at the moment. So there are big companies who are switching to SMS marketing because it's now a more effective means of advertising to customers than the normal ways of marketing, which we all know. And these companies, they don't want to lose money in a situation whereby after sending out SMSs to their customers as a means of marketing, only for them to realize that the system failed or something like that. So now they outsource this work to companies, which I'm going to list down in this video. These companies now kind of hire us or give us a platform whereby we drop our numbers so that these big companies can actually test their marketing systems and make sure that everything works out fine before investing huge amount of money in running their SMS marketing campaign to their customers. Okay, is this safe? 100% safe, because the system works in such a way that they don't have anything to do with your phone. So they are not going to intrude into your messages and every other thing. No, it's 100% safe. But there's a bad news here. If you use iPhone, this is not for you, except you have an Android phone or you are willing to get an Android phone. Okay, iPhone users, this is not, you can't get it on iPhone. You can't do it with your iPhone. It's exclusively for Android phones. Then, is there any age restriction? No, anybody can actually do it. Anybody can actually earn by receiving SMSs online. Then country restrictions, no, it accepts all country. It doesn't, you don't have to be in the US or in the UK or anywhere you are in the world, Ghana, Nigeria, any country, you can actually earn by just getting this SMS into your phone. And when you get this SMS, what do you actually do with them? Nothing. Just set up the system and is automated. You just make sure that you have internet connection and make sure your number is properly inputted into the app and messages keeps coming in, and when it comes, don't do anything. And how much can you earn? You can earn as much as $100, $200, $300 in a month. It all depends on you. Okay, like for myself, I have 2-3 different phones which have 2 different SIMs. Okay, so I receive here, and there. So I don't have to just do it with one phone. And then how much can you earn? I've just explained that the more SIM you have, the more phones you have, or the more numbers you have, the more messages you get and the more money you get. Then mode of payments, that's where we always have problem. Mode of payments, most of these companies pay you using PayPal, and some pay using web money, and some pay using crypto. Okay, so but are you going to get your money? 100% yes, you're going to get your money. Then for PayPal, if you're in a country where you are not allowed to open PayPal accounts, I'm going to drop a link. Okay, I'm going to show you a link where you can get the step-by-step guide on how you can open a PayPal account in a country where you're not allowed, and also you can actually get your money sent to you 100%. Okay, then no age restrictions for this. Anybody is eligible to make money just by receiving SMS. So I'm going to move to my laptop and show you how you can actually get started in the next 2-3 minutes. Very easy. All right, let's go. So the first app is MC Money. You can check it out on cm.com/mcmoney. Okay, earn money for receiving text messages, get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. You know, at this level, say them download MC Money. So you can actually download it, download the APK file here and get it installed in your Android phone. Okay, like I said earlier, iPhone users are not in for this. So just follow the instructions, download the APK on your phone, proceed the installation, register your phone number, receive SMS, and make money. What is MC Money? By letting us send text message to your phone, you allow us test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help us help mobile operators to work together, and not unimportant, each message you receive add more money to your MC Money bank, real money. How to earn? Okay, you can go through that, and they also have frequently asked questions. Okay, where you can, if you have any questions, payments, you can see general payments, referral program. Actually, this one has a referral program, so you can actually make money referring your friends to also make money using by receiving SMS. Okay, so this is very cool. While you make money receiving SMS, you can also refer others and also make money through that means. Then if you have any questions on how you can withdraw, is here. What's the minimum amount to cash out? Can you send money to my bank account? I have requested. So any questions you have, you can actually reach out to them and all that. Then you can contact them through email or on their Facebook platform. So if you're in doubt and you want to confirm if this is real, you got their support handle here, so you can reach out to them and confirm for yourself. But if you want to know, people are making real money every day receiving text messages. Okay, so the next one is cash for SMS. You can actually get that on cash for SMS today. Okay, get to this point, install the APK file from here. It's actually very simple. Once you get to their website, all the instructions are easy and simple. Use your SMS channel to the maximum. Sell SMS you don't use. Get SMS to get paid. Scrolling down, you get the app is available worldwide. Like I said earlier, it's not it's for certain countries. Okay, so it works for every country out there. This is the amount you can earn, 0.10 euro to 0.40 euro per SMS or per text message you receive. Then how it works, you see the outgoing SMS and all, incoming SMS and all that. So a few important things I think you should pay attention to this. Whichever of them you want to go into, take your time. It doesn't cost you anything. Take your time, go through their website and read the information they have there, so that if it doesn't go well with you, you don't put in your number and you don't register with them. So first step is we do not guarantee incoming SMSs, because some of these companies or platforms, they may not send you messages all the time, and that's why it's advisable you register with several of them, so that if this didn't send you fails to send you SMS, you can get SMS from this point. And like I told you earlier, I use 3 SIMs, 3 numbers so on days when I don't get enough SMS from one, the other 2 come through and all that. Then there are some other times when you have lots and lots of SMSs which are way beyond the normal number they send every day, because it depends on how on the opportunities that they have. So if they have more big corporations that want to test out their systems, or more network companies that want to test out their SMS marketing systems, then the more messages you get. Then there are some days when they don't have lots of companies coming for this service, then you are bound to receive lesser quantity of messages on those days. So don't be worried if maybe today you get like 10 15 SMSs and tomorrow you just get only 2 or 3. Don't worry about that. That's just how the system works. Then start earning. Simply come to this yellow button, install the app. Once you click on this yellow button, the APK file will download in your Android phone. Like I said earlier, this is only for Android phone users. iPhone users, you cannot benefit from this except you have an Android. Sorry about that. Okay, so these are the reviews. I installed this app in March. Since then I have had no problem with it, and as far as getting paid from it, I have had no problem. Although the money is deposited into PayPal or in euro through the PayPal app, it is extremely easy to convert the euro cash into US dollars. I have recommended this app to all my friends and family, and the cash out family, I just thank you for this app. It has been a great help to me, and I appreciate blah 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 and all that. This app is amazing. It's been running for me over 3 months, and I have made over $150. The support is very helpful. I would love to see a cash out button in the next update. So you can see that they keep on improving steady, and for cash for SMS, you can see that these reviews came in April, January, March, February of 2021. So it's been long. People have been making money from this. So there are some other platforms that has been that are older actually. So, and getting to their question, one common thing with this SMS platform is that they always provide you with questions and likely questions and answers that you may want to ask them. So if you're in doubt of anything, come to their question and answer session. Very easy. Simply click on any of the tabs. It will open up for you to read the details and all that. How do I get paid? Is there? Which phone can I use for this? You can see you can use any Android phone. Then incoming SMS. How do I earn money on receiving SMSs? We need to check the performance of the SMS channel for operators. Blah blah blah. Just like I said earlier, what kind of SMS will I receive? We will send you an SMS with random texts, so you don't really have to do anything with the SMS. You don't need to send anything and all that. How do I earn money? By sending my SMS. We will be sending you SMS to different countries that you have access to. We have a dynamic payout system. For some SMS, we pay 0.05 euro cents. For others, so you can imagine, very wonderful. You can even earn as much as 3 euros on one SMS. So imagine a situation whereby you get like 5, 6, or even 10 SMSs in a day. So that's very dope. So what to do before starting? Okay, before blah blah blah, just go through. Is at your service. The information out there. Go through and see for yourself. Then contact us. They have customer support button, so you can easily click there and get along with them. The next one is control my sms.com. Okay, so I'm giving out 3 today: MC Money, Cash for SMS, and control my sms.com. So over time, if I find others that are doing wonderfully well, I'll also recommend them to you, and also do a video on that. So for control my sms.com, very easy. Come in here, download APK file, very easy. You can get more info by clicking this button. Then you can contact their customer care service by sending them mail at info@controlmysms.com. Very easy. So that being said, go out there and make cool money on autopilot. Like I said earlier, this is not going to make you huge amount of money, but it's going to put some things into your pocket that you can actually use to stay afloat. Okay, then at this point, if you're still watching, like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, so that whenever I drop hot content like this, you will be among the first to receive the notification. Okay, that's all for today. Peace.